Trees falling. Look like something happened up on the rooftop. Oh, what? Guess it's something to tore the roof or the heck right here. Look at this. Oh well. We're in the backyard here all damaged up. No, I can't even touch anything because of the power lines and things like that. Old pine tree finally came down. It's rotting away. Far away from that for a few seconds. But I was around. See, yeah, I walked in there, man. Water leak off, shingles and stuff. So where y'all go to? Roof leaking from the rain, but the shingle. Where y'all at? Y'all up the street there? I think this Lou Ellis Church area right here. They say they're trying to go through there and see what the brothers' establishment is like. Oh, screw. Like over there. All right, y'all take it easy now. All right. Agree. All the way down there, but it don't look like it, man. Everything gone.